Welcome students to the new video of Moral Science. This is for class 6. I have taken chapter number 10 today. The name of the chapter is Being Peaceful. In this video, I have given you questions in the form of fill in the blanks. Let us start with number 1 here. All the festivals give out the message of peace, harmony and brotherhood. Whatever festivals we celebrate in India, children, festivals of all religions, celebrated by people of all of them, each festival gives out the message of peace and to live in harmony with others, to have a feeling of brotherhood towards each others. The festivals symbolize victory of good over evil. If you see the basic tenets of every festival, the underlying tenet of every religion is harmony and brotherhood, and the underlying tenet of every festival is the victory of good over evil. That means good has to win over the evil. A Christmas carol is a song or a hymn sung on Christmas. Another name for a Christmas carol is Christmas song or a Christmas hymn, HYMN. As quoted by Einstein, peace cannot be kept by force, but it can only be achieved by understanding. If there exists understanding between people of different religions, of different castes, cultures, good understanding definitely tends to be enjoyed by the society, and the resulting thing is peace in the society. By force, you definitely cannot create peace. According to Albert Camus, peace is the only battle worth waging. This is a very famous quote by Albert Camus. Peace is the only battle worth waging. Right always defeats the wrong, and peace always defeats the violence. However, disharmony be there in the hearts, if you try and maintain peace, it will always defeat the violence which may have emerged from the whatever conditions. And the right, be righteous. Every person should be righteous. Every person should have the quality of righteousness, because right always defeats the wrong. Peace can ultimately conquer all discord and disharmony. Whatever little or high disharmony exists in the world, in the society, any sort of discord between two people or between two sections of the society, it can only be conquered through peace and not through war. There cannot exist peace without the bonds of friendship and fellow feeling. Truly, children, you all know the effect of friendship. The bond of friendship is so strong that friends can do anything for each other. The resulting tenet of friendship and the resulting thing of fellow feeling is, of course, peace. And therefore, love and affection can exist in the society. So, whatever are the religions in the world, all the festivals, all the religions, all the festivals we celebrate, they give out the message of peace, harmony, and brotherhood. And they, of course, symbolize victory of good over evil. Several festivals we celebrate in India, as India is a secular nation, nothing is stopped. We celebrate Diwali, we celebrate it's the power of good in bringing peace and harmony on the earth. By celebrating Diwali, we celebrate the power of good. And in this way, we can bring peace and harmony on the earth. Another Holi, you all have noticed, people participate in this festival and at that moment they are regardless of their class or creed. And this Holi and Diwali and all the other festivals, they bring people together, they strengthen the bonds of friendship and fellow feeling, without which there can be no peace, of course. Thank you. Revise well.